Welcome, today I'm in the POCO X4 GT and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So we can see that the lock and home, we have the same wallpapers on the lock and home screen, and just to change it we should launch the settings app and scroll down to the wallpaper section and just click here yes I agree. And now we can see here that we can select our new device wallpaper from local photos on our device. Unfortunately we have not here any photos, or also we can use the default photos here. And also we can use the online wallpapers, but to use them be sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi or just to another mobile data. So let's just use the default wallpaper here now, and after that I'll show you how to use the online wallpapers. So just let's select one from these wallpapers. So for example, let's go with this one. Here we can tap to preview how this wallpaper will look on your device lock or home screen. Then just tap here to apply and click set as lock screen. After that, let's just lock the device, and we can see that we just successfully changed lock screen wallpaper on our device home screen. If you wanna change by the second way the wallpaper, that's also not a problem. Just hold for a while one from your device screens, and here on the left down corner you'll see the wallpaper icon. Just click here once and let's use the online one. So we have here just different categories, or you can use one from this, or just click here to find more. But one more time, don't forget to be connected to the internet. And now here in the just online wallpapers we can find the new one, and to select, for example, let's use this cat or these puppies. So we can select one from this, or let's use this wallpaper. Then just click here to apply, and we want to change the lock screen wallpaper. Now we can see that the lock screen wallpaper applied successfully, and we can see here the result. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.